what you are showcasing here at IREE 2025.
We are excited to be here. IREE is a very premium exhibition which showcases the technology, latest trends happening in railway segment and industry. We, JINDAL Stainless, are the leading stainless steel manufacturers in India, and we have displayed a lot of products which provides a lot of solutions to the industry's problems like corrosion resistance and better strength, durability, safety. We have provided solutions for infrastructure like stainless steel rebars, foot over bridges, road over bridges, and also a lot of solutions for rolling stock like underframes, stainless steel underframes, side walls, end walls. So a lot of components are there, and I'm so excited to be here. Yeah.
Every product what we are displaying here, that are our best product. But I would like to say these are the special finishes which are available in stainless steel, and being as a largest manufacturer of stainless steel in India, we are in production of all these type of finishes. We have two plants, one in Hisar, Haryana, and one in Jajpur, Odisha, India's most integrated plant. All the major public sector units, NTPC, BHEL, and other companies, we are supplying the material. Railway is our major customer. We are providing stainless steel for making the wagons. We are supplying material for Vande Bharat. These are the products which we are displaying over here. By using stainless steel in transportation segment like bus bodies, tippers, tip and trailers,